In 2024, over 14 million individuals were affected by healthcare data breaches in U.S. healthcare facilities. As you may guess, the reason behind these troubling statistics were weak security measures and poor compliance with medical device standards and regulations. In this video guide, we break down the key industry standards and regulations that impact healthcare software development and provide strategies to help you stay compliant. First and foremost, medical devices, both software and hardware, must comply with FDA regulations. The Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, is an American federal agency responsible for ensuring the safety and security of medical devices that enter the market. The regulator defines the safety and effectiveness of medical devices and determines if they meet all industry standards. FDA categorizes medical solutions into 3 classes based on specialty and regulatory risk levels that patients may be exposed to. Class 1 devices are low risk, as they have minimal contact with patients and have a low impact on a patient's overall health. Such devices are not subject to a pre-market notification or approval process. Class 2 medical devices are more complicated and present a moderate risk category. These devices often come into contact with patients' vital systems, meaning they must undergo pre-market notification to the FDA. Class 3 are the highest risk devices, such as permanent implants, smart medical devices, and life support systems. These devices require pre-market approval from the FDA before they can enter the market. Another crucial law aiming to streamline the medical device development process is the 21st Century Cures Act. The law aims to include the perspective of patients in the development of drugs and devices in the FDA's decision-making process. The Cures Act improves clinical trial designs. It combines real-world evidence and clinical outcome assessments to boost the development and review of novel medical products. While the Cure Act promotes interoperability between healthcare software and devices, this also brings greater vulnerability to patient data. To ensure high security, your medical solution must follow compliance laws like HIPPA and HITRUST, which we will discuss further in the video. What quality and safety standards must medical device development adhere to? First of all, ISO 13485. It is an international standard for quality management systems of medical devices, covering requirements for the development, implementation, and maintenance of solutions. This compliance provides a ready-made framework for the development and launch of a medical solution. Moreover, complying with ISO 13485 ensures your product will pass through other medical device compliance, like those established by the FDA. Another crucial standard is IEC 62304. It divides all medical devices into 3 classes, depending on their medical intention and safety risk. Devices in Class A present a low risk for the patient's life. Class B stands for moderate risk devices, where failure could cause temporary or minor harm. The last one is Class C. The devices in this category pose the highest risk and can cause serious injury or even death. If the FDA reveals a mismatch with IEC 62304 development frameworks, your launch request will be denied and postponed until you meet all IEC 62304 requirements. What crucial data security laws do you need to consider while developing medical solutions? The first one is HIPAA, a U.S. federal law regulated by the Department of Health and Human Services, HHS. It sets standards for protecting sensitive health information from disclosure without the patient's consent. HIPAA compliance is critical to the development of your healthcare solution for 2 reasons. First, HIPAA-compliant solutions can enter the market and be used on purpose much quicker. Second, neglecting HIPAA compliance threatens your business with hefty penalties and lawsuits. Next goes the HITECH Act. It is part of the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act, which helps healthcare organizations digitize medical records while ensuring HIPAA compliance. It aims to enhance the U.S. healthcare system by improving the quality and safety of medical services, privacy, security, and easier access to health data, as well as developing patient self-care. Would you like to streamline product development, certification, and implementation from the start? In that case, HITRUST compliance is an optimal solution for your product. This regulation unites all sensitive data security standards for medical device development in the USA. Another crucial law is the Emergency Medical Treatment and Labor Act. It applies to medical software and hardware devices used for emergency medical care. This law ensures all patients have access to emergency medical services and receive treatment despite their insurance plans. Finally, let's discuss the CMS Interoperability and Patient Access. This law aims to simplify patient access to their medical records and improve secure data exchanges between different healthcare IT systems. Compliance with CMS interoperability and patient access is obligatory on a legal level. It provides standardized APIs for medical systems to ensure smooth data interoperability, high security protection, and easy access for authorized parties. So, how can you ensure your device is fully compliant? Let's wrap up the key takeaways. First, decide whether to address the needs using your internal expertise or partner with a reliable tech provider. If you choose the second option, ensure your healthcare software development partner holds expertise in the relevant regulations and is fully compliant with industry standards. This way, you ensure your medical solution gets regulatory compliant architecture design, robust quality assurance, regular code review and improvements, change management and documentation, compliance assessment during the development process. At Lemberg Solutions, we offer over 15 years of experience in high-risk industries like healthcare, with deep expertise in industry standards and regulations for developing a wide range of medical solutions. If you need further assistance with compliance while developing your medical products, don't hesitate to contact us. For more information, visit our website and stay tuned for upcoming videos.